Octopuses have 3 hearts. And the correct answer is true. 2 pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. When they swim, the main heart stops. Next question. The Great Wall of China is visible from space. And the correct answer is false. Here is the fact. It's a common myth, it's barely visible even from low Earth orbit without aid. Next question. A day on Mercury is longer than its year. And the correct answer is true. Here is the fact. Mercury rotates slowly, 1 day equals 59 Earth days, and it orbits the Sun in just 88 Earth days. Next question. Humans glow in the dark naturally. And the correct answer is true. Here is the fact. Bioluminescence in humans exists but is 1,000 times weaker than our eyes can detect. Next question. Sharks are older than trees. And the correct answer is true. Sharks have been around for over 400 million years, trees evolved around 350 million years ago. Next question. The Eiffel Tower can grow taller in summer. And the correct answer is true. Here is the fact. Due to heat expansion, it can grow about 6 inches taller in hot weather. Next question. Bananas are berries, but strawberries are not. And the correct answer is true. Here is the fact. Botanically, bananas qualify as berries, while strawberries do not due to seed placement. Next question. The shortest war in history lasted 38 minutes. And the correct answer is true. Here is the fact. The Anglo-Zanzibar War of 1896 is the shortest recorded war, just 38 minutes long. Next question. There's a species of jellyfish that can live forever. And the correct answer is true. Here is the fact. Turritopsis dohrnii can revert to its juvenile stage, essentially making it biologically immortal. Next question. The human nose can distinguish over 1 trillion smells. And the correct answer is true. Here is the fact. Recent research shows our olfactory capacity is far greater than previously believed. Next question. Vatican City has its own army. And the correct answer is true. Here is the fact. The Swiss Guard, established in 1506, serves as the Pope's official army. Next question. Some turtles can breathe through their butts. And the correct answer is true. Certain turtles use a process called cloacal respiration to absorb oxygen underwater. Next question. A cloud can weigh over 1 million pounds. And the correct answer is true. Here is the fact. Clouds look light, but their water content makes them incredibly heavy. Next question. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. And the correct answer is true. Here is the fact. Sloths can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes, while dolphins average 10 to 15. Next question. The moon has moonquakes. And the correct answer is true. Here is the fact. Just like earthquakes, the moon experiences quakes caused by tidal forces from Earth. Next question. Wombat poop is cube-shaped. And the correct answer is true. This strange trait helps prevent the feces from rolling away, useful for marking territory. Next question. The human brain feels pain. And the correct answer is false. Here is the fact. It processes pain but has no pain receptors itself. That's why brain surgery is often done under local anesthesia. Next question. An octopus has 9 brains. And the correct answer is true. 1 central brain and 1 mini brain for each arm help control movement independently. Next question. You can sneeze in your sleep. And the correct answer is false. Here is the fact. The nerves involved in sneezing are inactive during REM sleep, making it impossible. Next question. Hot water can freeze faster than cold water. And the correct answer is true. Here is the fact. Known as the Mpemba effect, under certain conditions, hot water freezes quicker than cold. Next question. There's a lake that explodes. And the correct answer is true. Here is the fact. Lake Nyos in Cameroon can release deadly CO2 clouds during limnic eruptions. Next question. Tomatoes were once thought to be poisonous. And the correct answer is true. Here is the fact. In 18th century Europe, tomatoes were avoided because they were mistakenly linked to toxic plants. Next question. Earth is the only planet with rain. And the correct answer is false. Venus rains sulfuric acid, and it rains diamonds on Jupiter and Saturn. Next question. Pineapples take 24 hours to grow. And the correct answer is false. Here is the fact. They actually take up to 2 years to grow a single fruit. Next question. Cleopatra lived closer in time to the moon landing than to the pyramids. And the correct answer is true. Here is the fact. She lived around 30 BC, while the pyramids were built 2500 BC. Moon landing was in 1969. Next question. Koalas sleep up to 22 hours a day. And the correct answer is true. Here is the fact. Due to their low energy eucalyptus diet, koalas sleep up to 22 hours daily. Next question. Venus spins backward compared to most planets. And the correct answer is true. It has a retrograde rotation. It spins clockwise instead of counterclockwise. Next question. Rain has a smell. And the correct answer is true. The earthy scent after rain is called petrichor, caused by geosmin released by soil bacteria. Next question. Cows have best friends. And the correct answer is true. Studies show cows form strong bonds and can get stressed when separated. Next question. You can't burp in space. And the correct answer is true. Here is the fact. Without gravity to separate liquids and gases, burping in space risks vomiting. Next question. Your stomach gets a new lining every 3 days. And the correct answer is false. It replaces itself every 4 to 5 days to prevent self-digestion by stomach acid. Next question. Peanuts are not nuts. And the correct answer is true. Here is the fact. Botanically, peanuts are legumes like beans and lentils. Next question. Humans can survive without gravity. And the correct answer is false. Here is the fact. Long-term weightlessness weakens muscles, bones, and affects blood flow. We need gravity. Next question. The longest hiccup lasted 68 years. And the correct answer is true. Here is the fact. Charles Osborne hiccuped continuously from 1922 to 1990, over 430 million hiccups. Next question. A bolt of lightning is hotter than the surface of the sun. And the correct answer is true. Lightning reaches 30,000 K, while the sun's surface is around 5,800 K. Next question. The inventor of the Pringles can is buried in one. And the correct answer is true. Here is the fact. Fred Bauer, the inventor, requested part of his ashes be buried in a Pringles can. Next question. Whales can drown. And the correct answer is true. If a whale stays underwater too long or can't reach the surface, it can drown. Next question. There's a species of spider that can fly. And the correct answer is true. Here is the fact. Some spiders balloon using silk threads and air currents to travel through the sky. Next question. Water bears, tardigrades, can survive in space. And the correct answer is true. Here is the fact. These microscopic creatures endured the vacuum and radiation of space and lived. Next question. A single strand of human hair can hold 100 g. And the correct answer is true. Here is the fact. Hair is incredibly strong relative to its size. A whole head of hair could hold a car. Next question. Sound travels faster in air than water. And the correct answer is false. Sound travels over 4 times faster in water due to its higher density. Next question. There's a fish that can walk on land. And the correct answer is true. The mudskipper uses its fins to walk between water puddles. Next question. A jiffy is a real unit of time. And the correct answer is true. In computing, a jiffy is 1/100th of a second. It's a real scientific term. Next question. Polar bears have black skin. And the correct answer is true. Here is the fact. Their skin is black to absorb heat, and their fur appears white due to light reflection. Next question. There's a planet where it rains molten glass. And the correct answer is true. Here is the fact. On exoplanet HD 189733b, winds blow sideways and glass rains from the sky. Next question. Some metals can be liquid at room temperature. And the correct answer is true. Here is the fact. Gallium and mercury are two metals that can be liquid around room temperature. Next question. The smell of freshly cut grass is a plant distress signal. And the correct answer is true. It's a chemical SOS signal released when the plant is damaged. Next question. Humans are the only species to get sunburn. And the correct answer is false. Pigs, cats, and even hippos can get sunburned. Thanks a lot for watching. We hope you had fun playing this quiz. Make sure to like, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more.